Welcome back to another YouTube video from Best RV channel. I am Niall Amari from Best RV in Turlock, California, presenting you the most desired toy hauler bowling alley. This is my favorite floor plan because it's a 28-foot box, overall length 34 feet, has a 15.6 feet cargo area with 7,000 watt generators. So you could pull your 4-seaters, no question asked, and you still have the 2 slide out. As you see, we have a slide out in the bedroom and slide out in the living room. So your 4-seaters, because as you notice now these days, all the 4-seaters, they're 14 feet and up. So this will fit in this toy hauler, no question, because I measure it, it's 15.6. and will fit with the slide outs because the slide out mechanism is shallow. So you still have the 76 inches wide between this wall and the slide out when it's closed. So your 4-seaters will fit, I assure you, will fit in this toy hauler. As you see, all my toy haulers, they come with a patio system in the back, fuel station, generators, and this has the 2 ACs on it, solar panel, and we're gonna go in this video in more detail. Stay tuned because I'm gonna shrink all these features in 15 minutes coming in. Now, as you see on the Sandstorm, gel coated cap in the front with LED lights. This is a brand new 2026 for River Sandstorm. You have a nice power awning with LED light. I like the decal on the unit is like racing. Perfect for your 4-seaters. It's set high from the ground, so when you go to the dunes, you have no problem. Come with electric stabilizer jack in the back, electric stabilizer jack in the front. It's 34 tip to tip. Patio system in the back with a flood LED light. Backup camera in the back, prep. And then you have a fuel stations, 50 amp service, and it's prepped for 2 AC. It's come with 2 ACs. Endless hot water heater, and as you see, a full 6,000 watt generators. And I like this is new, which is the nice thing. I could put my oil, my can of oils, dirty stuff here is no problem. And then if I get the key from my cameraman, I will open this docking stations where you have docking station, you have the hot and cold outside shower, sandy flush, city water connection, all the hookup is a solid metal, so you have no worry. You get your hose through here, and then you have a lock. You lock it so nobody play with it. And then over here you have the battery rack. You could put as much battery you want. You have 2 arrays. Now, a reason why this is a testing battery, but we recommend you use a lithium battery. But again, whatever you want, I work for you. You tell me, I do. Come with complimentary deep cycle battery to get in, but if you want to upgrade to lithium, we are one-stop shop and we could do that for you. Now, by putting the generator here, what you gain here is more storage for you. And now look how deep this. So this is what I like, what they did for the brand new design is normal toy haulers is the generator is located where I'm sitting right now. So they took the generator from here, they put it in the side, and they gain more storage for you in one piece. So I could put a big barbecues, big things here, big ice chests, and then still I have more. And then I like what the floor they used is the diamond rubber on the floor. It make it more cleaner, nicer, tougher, easier than the other brands. And then they give you on this side is the propane tank. So you have the 2 7-gallon tank on the side. So easy to get in, easy to get out. And then you have cable TV hookups if you want to put TV outside. And then this is give you the idea how big the storage going from this side all the way to the back. So that's another advantage for you. The Sandstorm is aluminum frame. And then they use this motorized step. Now there's a benefit of this motorized step because I could do this and I could get all the dirt outside before I fold it inside. So that's the benefit of this kind of step. So stay tuned with me because we're gonna go inside and show you the 2800 from inside. As you see here, you have a nice dinette with 2 tables, electric bed in the top, and you have the nice big windows. And then these tables you could remove and turn to a bed. So if you flip this one after you take I give you an idea. When you take these tables out, you flip this back of that sofa, and you have a full bed. Now, customers gonna be worried and they say, well, will this, my 4-seaters will fit? Yes, because the distance from here to the counter is 76 inches. So your 4-seaters come all the way to here and no issue. And also that slide out is a shallow slide. So even if I get this unit, here's my 4-seater will fit. There's a big place here. You could put any TV you want. Reason why we don't put TV in this unit, because they want way too much money, and I could get a better price for you when you get it from Costco. They give you all the work ready for you. Big cabinet where you put your helmet, your gear for the 4-seaters. Beautiful fireplace. You sit, you kick back, and you enjoy the seating with the fireplace. A lot amount of cabinets. You have above the TV, above those 2 chairs, then above the kitchen, lower of the kitchen, and then you have the 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator, 30-inch microwave, right here, 30-inch microwave. And then you have the 3-burner range, bigger sink, 1 piece, counter space for a coffee maker, toaster right here. There's a plug right there, so don't worry. There's tied down all the way down to the kitchen. And again, 15.6, bigger refrigerator. Let me show them. And they put shallow balances. There's a reason for shallow balances. So you could get, and they raise this one so when you get your 4-seater here, your rack will not hit the cabinet. That's a plus. I got a toy, so I know exactly what you are trying to reach. So when I get my 4-seater here, and if I have a big cage, it's not gonna hit with my cabinets unlike some other brands, because this is a shallow. And then cabin all the way to the ceiling. 2 air conditions. You have the big one here. Speakers inside and speakers outside. Fantastic fan with the rain sensor to suck all the bad smell from the kitchens. And walking through here, so you have a nice controllers of your solar panels, your inverters, your generators, all of that one spot. You could utilize this storage because they give you a lip. So if you have a helmet, you could utilize that. Then this is the key. What is the key on this bedroom? Flush floor where I'm standing. Some other brand, they have a step. I don't have a step where I'm standing. Look at that. Then the clearance, the 80 inches right here. And then you have a cabin all the way. King size bed, not a queen bed. And this king size bed is all storage underneath. Then you have place here to put shoes. And then they give you a plug on both sides for CPAP machine, your cell phone, your iPad, your vitamins, your books. It's right there on both sides. Unlike the arch, you gain more space for king size bed. Your second AC in the bedroom as well. There's one in the living room. This is for the beautiful lady. She have her vanity and doors for socks, underwears, makeup, you name it. You have a big long closet. So you have a big long closet as well. This place for TV in the bedroom. I could put another TV here in the bedroom. There's even a plug here in case if you need to plug some hair dryer. It's all that. It's all this in that unit. Now going to the bathroom, that's what's gonna like. Big medicine cabinet with 2 doors, a nicer sink with an area both sides. Oh, nice fan. Roomy for knees, bigger storage. Voila. With the skylight. Now, what's the beautiful thing about this unit is we have it at a price. You shop, no one could get you a toy haulers, bowling alley, 2 AC, patio system with the generator, 6,000, not a 4, 6, and 2 slide out and a fuel station. All this amenities only for $69.9. And in the top of that, 0 hidden fees, unit wash, clean, prep, full walkthrough, full propane, complimentary deep cycle battery, complimentary RV starter kit bucket, all that for free. Whereas the other dealers, they charge you fees. Only $69.9 plus tax and license at Best RV in Turlock or Best RV in Grand Terrace. Coming in, I will make it happen for you.